Crowd loving those. Exchanging slaps there.
Oh, look at this move. Focusing on the back and the legs, pretty much the entire body of
pretty much everything here.
a bird.
I haven't seen this move before, John. Kind of a strange move there.
Definitely.
See the original of this guy.
Suplex there.
Oh, very powerful. The crowd certainly appreciate that.
Always respect shown by the crowd to both men.
They're still taking their time, you know. Ferris isn't, you know, taking advantage.
Mike Boyd here still trying to get some cracks in.
Ferris is definitely on top of it on, as I say that, Mike Bird. There's the headlock in.
Bird is absorbing pressure very well, and he's still managed to get the moves in himself.
Headlock from Bird now, trying to put the pressure on the neck. Reverse leg from Ferris. Take him down into a bridge, it looks like.
Oh, this must be excruciating on the back here.
Bird is now bridged over onto his head.
A lot of pressure on the neck there.
Did he move with the camera, I think, yeah? Get out of there.
That's fantastic reverse.
Well done, Mike Bird.
Hard to see a winner out of these two guys early on.
It's going to be a tough match.
I'm going for Mike Bird.
Edd Ferris,
I think Mike Bird's absorbing the pressure well early on this match, and I think he'll certainly come out on top of the game at the end of it.
Oh, no, we missed the Ferris. Both men picking the body part, Bird's on the body part.
I think Bird's certainly the faster of the men, and I think at the moment Edd Ferris is certainly getting advantage by using the slow technical game.
Yeah, but he's a lot stronger than his opponent, so put pressure on
I think Bird needs to certainly get some more high flying moves in here.
Once again, they're going to lock up for I think the 50th time. Another handshake.
There's mutual respect there. The fans do appreciate this.
Yes, both ones suspecting each other.
Must say, very surprised by this Cardiff crowd.
Why? How's that?
Well, I never thought that they would enjoy a kind of match like this.
Hey, you get some good guys down here in the crowd, they know this stuff. They're not just idiots like yourself.
Excuse me? I'm a guest here.
Anyway, working on the ankle now with the leg. Ferris and elbow on page, referee asking him. I can't quite see Edd Ferris give it up yet.
I'm sure he will. He will give up. You can't get.
Oh, fantastic move.
Great reversal.
Bringing him into a headlock.
Very quick there, wasn't it?
Oh, lovely move from Mike Bird to kick. Now he's got Ferris on the headlock. Working on the head. Ferris picking him up. Down into the back drop. Crowd seems to like that.
A bit concerned that Mike Bird still is playing into Edd Ferris' kind of territory here.
Yeah, well, Bird is as good technically as anybody. Yeah, maybe not Ferris, but he is a very good technical wrestler in his own right. I think he's holding his own. But he's going to have to speed up, I think, to get him top. Very slow match. Very old school match that Rob said earlier on. Bird saying he pulled his hair, but he hadn't got much hair to pull.
I didn't know she had much hair.
Yes, I can.
It is. It's ginger.
It's ginger.
Oh, it's a strawberry blonde, I think.
Strawberry blonde.
Strawberry blonde, as I call it, ginger.
Mike Bird again on the offense.
Bit of a sleeper, kind of chokehold here. Dragon sleep, I believe. Working on it on the neck, trying to choke out. I think Ferris is being choked out also.
He can't breathe. This could be it, is it?
Could be very close.
Shades of Roddy Piper here.
They're in a lot of trouble.
That's it. He's going down. I don't think he can get out of this.
Definitely in a lot of trouble.
That's one.
That's one.
And a two.
Can he get his three?
That's it, it's over. The No, he got out of it!
Trickless of Edd Ferris.
Oh, fantastic.
Edd
Ferris definitely using his
clever
head.
wrestlers, Edd Ferris.
Quite appreciated that.
Extremely clever.
Definitely using his head there, Edd Ferris.
What I appreciate about Mike Bird is he's under a lot of pressure here, and yet you can still get some good pops with the fans.
You know what's to pick up his first victory, Mike Bird. Show it that he is one of the best. Oh, vicious kicks.
Just kick him in the shin.
Ferris, the couple of
Oh,
into a headlock, scooping the headlock over, working on the head.
he's want to choke this man out.
Ferris managing to reverse it back, now working on the neck himself with Mike Bird.
I suppose the best way is to beat him, simply kill him.
Try and choke him out.
Headlock from Ferris, a couple of punches to the head. Showing a bit of a vicious style. Don't see that very often from Edd Ferris.
Well, that's part of his martial arts background.
Usually more technical. Tying him up on the ropes. Punches, oh come on.
The ref should really get him off the ropes here.
A couple of punches into the ribs.
Nah, it's all legal. All legal.
Again, Irish whip. In bed.
I don't think Ferris should really be doing this. This is more into Bird's territory.
Speeding it up now.
He's playing into his hands.
Oh, fantastic clothesline from Edd Ferris, showing a bit of power. Showing he can also be as quick as Mike Bird. Again, scooping over this is going to be a pin. One, two.
Oh,
close there.
Back,
Number of reversals there.
Foot on the rope from Edd Ferris.
they spotted over the referee.
Kicks to the back.
Fly.
Oh, nice knee there.
Knee from Mike Bird. Two.
Oh, I thought it was a 3 count then.
Very close.
Shut up. Ed's a muppet.
It's a
Crowd
muppet.
certainly getting on Mike Bird's back here. And Edd Ferris's.
There's a big shout there from Mike Bird.
Suplex.
Foot in the rope again, ref.
Bird's arguing with the referee again.
Well, the referee is known to cheat.
A couple of punches from Mike Bird.
Nah, he just needs
Also
to
showing his aggressive style.
keep Edd Ferris away from the ropes. He's using that
Ferris
to
in
his
the corner.
advantage.
A couple of vicious smacks, vicious slaps to the head. Scooping him back over. It's going to be a big kick to the back. Scooping him back over. 1, 2. Bird going over. 1, 2. Ferris again. 1, 2.